this walk to Waimea Fall. Let's go. We're at what is this? Queen of Water Lilies.
Dad, why are we taking?
We're at Waimea Valley. There it is.
So she did muscle ball, which was because they got it.
Yes. That was definitely.
Okay.
Here, just hold my hand. Can you hold my hand?
Why you shouldn't walk there. So that you're like, oh yeah, that's
And this is the walk toward the waterfall. As you can see, there's netting because this is a danger zone for water. I mean for the rocks to fall. Yeah, they got some shop right there. Right, basically to buy your stuff. If you forget your swimming short, sandals, whatever you can think of. Right, storage bin. Right, cash only. That's the pricing. So yeah, locker available here. Safe storage and shop. That's nice. They got a life vest. I think you can rent a life vest here. Yep. You can rent a life vest. Is this free to use? It's free to use? It's free to use. Basically, you just put the tip right there.
yeah, it's like
Life vest. Put a tip right there. Oh, a viewing area. You sit down there. And yeah, that's it right there. Everybody just straight floating with the life vest and enjoy. At least they provide a life vest for those of you that cannot swim, right? And this is the view to walk back to your car from up there, right? Nice. Green. So this is the easy part. Just so you know, we were uphill, then we went downhill, and then we stay flat. So that means there's a little hike toward the end. I'm gonna show you. But this is the best scenery so far. All these tropical flowers and everything. Right? This is where you're done. Oh, that's the changing station where you change. Okay. And that's the bridge where we were at earlier. So this is what I'm talking about. You're gonna reach a bridge. Okay, there is a bridge when you come down from the waterfall, and there's another bridge. Once you pass this bridge, you see that right there, you're gonna do your uphill battle. All right, from here on you're gonna do your uphill battle right about now. Let's start now, right here. All right, so stay tuned for the rest of the video. Here, let me show you how tall it is. It's not that bad. See right there? All right. Let's get it. Let's do this hike. Going up. It's about 2 minutes, 3 minutes hike from down there all the way up here. Once you reach the top, you will see this right here. Okay. A tent with merchandise and a nice open area. Right? Games site. So throughout the walk to the Waimea Fall, you see all this. But here's the best part. So from up there, you kind of start going up, but to go back, it's sort of going down. So let's go. And here is the look of that. Remember the waterfall from up there? That creep all the way down there. All the way down. Right? That's how tall I am from the bottom of the ground. So along the way, you're gonna see those maps where you at. It tells you exactly what around you, what flowers, what venue, and so on and so on, right? Like I say, you walk around, you're gonna see like huts where there's people under. You can do activity with your family, especially kids, where you just basically do your activity with them, and you just tip the person, whoever in charge, a lady, a guy, but mostly it's always a lady if there's activity. Right? There's this right here, lace garden. Let's go through the lace garden. See that lace garden? Let's go through the lace garden, see what's in here. Right? That is your lace garden walk. Gravel walk. Careful, because you gotta throw this. Right? And that's your lace garden. Oh, you can also catch a shuttle, $10. It will take you from the front all the way to the top for $10, and then they also take you back if you don't want to walk. Right? Those of you that don't want to walk or has special need, you definitely can use that. Like I said, right there, see, there's a lady right there. You can do activity and stuff. It will tell you, right? So yeah, see along the path, you're gonna see those little map. Tells you where you at, what flower they have, and so on and so on. And if you don't have never been to Luau, I suggest Tua Luau. It should be your first Luau experience, because it's also include the entrance ticket for the Waimea Bay, which is, let's say your luau is on a Tuesday. You don't have to necessarily go that day. You can come back, show your receipt when you book online, and your receipt is good for 7 days from the day of the luau event. Because that's what we did. Our event was on Tuesday, on a Wednesday. We didn't came back until Sunday. Okay, like I said, your luau receipt, just show it to them at the gate, the admission gate. It's good for 7 days. All right. Each side has that thing right there, right? The map and the trail to go up, and also the trail right there. Okay. It's nice scenery, outdoor scenery. Definitely. Where even though if you don't do the luau, I think the $25 admission is worth it, because you go to the botanical garden, which is all of this, and you get to do the Waimea fall. You can swim there. They provide you life vests. Like I said, life vest is free. All you gotta do, tip them if you feel like tipping them. If you don't, then it's not mandatory. All right. Right here, see, there is trails, right? Like a step where you can go down there, as you can see right there. See that? You can go down there, check out the waterfall and all that, right? And each trail, like I said, they have this thing right here, tells you exactly what's underneath there, right? See, there's somebody right there by the water, right? More sightseeing, right? See, this one right here is for that right there on top. I'm sure at one point the gate was you able to go up there. Now they gated it up. I'm sure at one point you can go up there, no problem, right? And this right here, Kahuale, the living site of how they are. You can see right there, different huts, right? See those people? There's a bunch of site over there. I'll show you right now so you can see it, okay? We're in the botanical. Men's eating house. This is men's one. You want to eat in here? Sit down here?
Ew, all the bugs.
You mean ew? This is the cooking house. But the cooking house is broken. Where's the cooking house? There's supposed to be a cooking house there. Come on, kids, in front of me. Go, keep walking.
Don't touch that, those dancing.
Come on, keep walking.
Yeah, we locked them
They
up.
do a really good job. It's worth it.
Here. Okay, cool. Yeah.
You'll enjoy it.
Let's go check what's in there. Look at that, the shark. The shark too. Yeah, we have to go back now. Oh, look at this one. This is sleeping house.
Yeah, it's really nice.
This is their sleeping house.
I use this my AI. And so these two go hand in hand. The stone used for striking for eating, and I actually just finished pounding out this, which is EI. And this is like the stage that you put the kalo into when you go on voyages. So kalo is like the taro that we pound out until it's smooth and really like sticky, like mochi. If you've ever tried mochi before.
Oh, we
And
saw
then-
this store yesterday. We didn't know what it was.
Oh yeah. So like this would be pa'iai, and then there's kulolo, which sometimes is in the store, which is the dessert with taro and what's it called? Taro, brown sugar, and coconut milk steamed, and then they have that. And they also have koi, which is the one that they usually use the wool. So they make pa'iai like that. I love it too.
So was mochi what it was?
Mochi is it's actually.
Look at those steep mountain. Be careful for falling rocks. When this thing is raining really hard, it will drop down red mud. And look at this. If you want a ukulele session right there, I'm sure they teach you. And you just dip them. Alright? Pretty cool sight. Along the way for your paved. By the way, the whole hike to the Waimea Fall is paved, right? So you can go with shoes, sandal, whatever you want. And along the way, there's a little detour of scenery, like flowers, like this one. I just picked it from my princess, my daughter, because she loved this flower. Yep. And by the way, I did a head start while they're drying up after the waterfall swim. I just went to the car right away to get the car started, warming up. So by the time they get to the car, it's nice and cold and we're ready to go. If you're wondering, where is my family? Bam. I hope you enjoyed that walk to the waterfall and the walk back. Hope you enjoyed the scenery and all that good stuff. Don't forget to share my video, click the thumbs like, and Jspekz out. Peace.
Do you